Hi, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineer. Today, I'll be showing you how to arrange your structural drawing using Stonebridge Company Detailing templates. So after you're done with your Prota structural design, and then you now use this template called Stonebridge Structural Detailing Template to now perform your structural detailing. And then you will now have to start putting all your structural details on these templates just like this so that you can now begin to print out your drawing. So most of you that already have these templates are having difficulties and asking questions on WhatsApp how to transfer your drawing from your model space onto this paper space and to use this sheet to now print your drawings. So by the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to resolve that issue on how to um, transfer your drawing from the model space or your drawings from model space to the paper space here. And this is the current drawing, this is the current design that we have just completed and of which we have already begun the how to design this building, and we have also launched our first video on this building also. And also, if you can see, this is a current building that we are designing for a client, and our client is Mr. Caleb, of which we have already taken permission to use his building for this video tutorial. And also, if you also check the date of this drawing, this is August 2022, as you can see it here. And so we are using this man's building right now, Mr. Caleb's, to now show you how to transfer your drawing from this layout, from this model layout to this paper space so that you can go ahead and print your structural drawing after using this Stonebridge company structural detailing template. Now, if you don't have this template, I would say you should check on the link below and download this template. Although it is not free, but it's not that expensive. It's less than $10. Okay, so right now, what you do right now, once you're done with your structural detailing template right now, once you're done with your structural detailing using this template, Stonebridge template, I would say that the first thing for you to put, or the first drawing that must appear on your structural drawing, should be the foundation layout. So right now we will transfer this foundation layout and the foundation section to this page one here. So right now, if you check on your own template, you can see that what you have is only page one, which is foundation layout or foundation detail. So right now, before you begin to transfer, I would say you will have to make a copy of this layout. So right now, what I'll do right now is to make a copy of this layout right now. So right now, I'll just right click on this place right now, and then go to this place called move or copy, and click on this place, and then click on this place called create a copy. Just check this and then click on this place. Once you click on OK, automatically you will see that this place will now have foundation layout 2, which will now make a copy of this. So I click on 2 right on OK right now. I can see that right now, foundation layout 2. So this is the first one, and this is the second one that we have just made a copy. So right now, I will just drag this right now to this first place and keep this here. Leaving this now as the copy, maybe I want to bring my columns to this one. So right now, you can see that we now have two right now. So this is how we will use to create all the sheets that we have here. You can see that we have different number of drawings here, even the staircase drawing, as you can see it here. So this is how we are going to use to create all these to put all these drawings into these templates here and then begin to print out our structural drawings. Okay, so right now, I'll just click on this place right now, which is the model space, to begin to transfer this drawing right now to paper space here, which is the layout. So on this my layout right now, the first thing to do right now is to set a viewport, because you can see that if you click on this place, you cannot see any drawing here. So to be able to begin to see your drawing, which is on this model space here, on this layout, you have to set a viewport. And you will do that by typing MV. MV means viewport. And then you click on what? Enter. And then you can see that they are asking you to specify a corner. So right now, I'll have to click on this edge here. and then go down to this place again and click on this second edge here, not at this edge here, but on this place here, and click on this place here. Now, automatically, you can see your drawings just now, but you have to now click on this place because that thing that you just created, that viewport have created for you a rectangle. So click at this this point here. Now you can see that you have not clicked the that viewport that was created. So right now, I would say you should go here right now on this layer, change the layer type to depth point. So change the that layer type to depth point and set this place by layer. Okay, so right now I can see that right now. So on this same place right now, if I click on this edge right now, I can be able to move this viewport to how I want it. You can see that. So right now, if I begin to view if I just double click, sorry, if I now double click on this place right now, you can see that I can be able to now begin to view my viewport while this place still remains stationary for me to create another viewport here. I can see that. So right now, I want to bring out this foundation layout on this place right now. So if you want to bring a drawing to the viewport or on this sheet, all you have to do is to locate the drawing. If it is a beam you want to bring out here, just locate the beam and then put that using scale, which I'll show you. But right now, we want to bring out, you can see this section also. But right now, we want to bring out our foundation layout. So we just scroll to the place where we have the foundation layout right now, and then position the foundation layout right now. And then we have to use a scale to scale the drawing on these viewports. So right now, I want to use a scale of 1:75 to check how it will look like. So right now I type Z, enter 1 all over 75 SP. You can see that, and I'll now type the enter key, and you can see that our drawing has fit into this place right now. So I can now use my pan P, enter, and then position this drawing perfectly without zooming again, because once you zoom, that means you have destroyed the scale that you used to position this drawing on this place. So you just use band to just move it left and right or upward. That's all you use pan for. Don't try to zoom your mouse button again, else once you zoom your mouse button like this, you have changed the scale of the drawing. You can see that. So right now, since I've already zoomed right now, I'll have to apply the scale again. So I'll just say escape and type Z, enter 1 all over 75, which is the scale I'm using, SP, and I'll type enter. If you don't type this SP, it will not work. So you must type SP after you've finished typing your scale. And I'll type what? Enter. I will now type P, which is pan, enter, and then pan my drawing and keep it at the center or how I want it to be positioned. And then once I'm done, I'll type escape and then go outside here and click on and just double click on this empty place here. Okay, so right now I can now click on this my viewport and try to move this my just try to adjust this my viewport. You can see that by clicking on one of these edge and adjust this my viewport right now to this very place here. Okay, so right now again, you can see what I've done just now. So right now, I want to bring out this. I want to bring this section, this foundation section right now also onto this place now. So what I'll do right now, I have to create another viewport, or I'll just copy this viewport right now using CP, enter, and then copy it out onto this place and keep it here first. Try to adjust it to like make it smaller like this, and then now move it using M, enter, move it onto this place right now. Try to keep it here first, then click it again, move again, M, enter. If I want to keep it at the center of this place, I'll just drop it here at the center of this place. And then you can see that it's trying to clash with this place. So I'll have to click on it right now and then try to adjust it again from this point onto this point just now. Okay, so you can now see, and it's trying to clash with this with this title block here. So I'll click here again and move it, M, enter, and move it onto this place now. Just keep it somewhere here. Okay, so you can now see that if I click on this place right now, this now turns to a viewport for me. So if I double click, sorry, if I double click on this place right now here, this now forms another viewport for me again. You can see that right now. So I can now adjust here right now. I can now locate that that very section which I want to bring out here, and then use a scale. Let me find a scale that will be able to fit in this drawing here. Let me say Z enter 1 all over let me say 75 SP, if that would be nice. Enter. No, 75 is too big. So let me try 1 is to 100. So I'll type Z enter 1 all over 100 SP, and I'll say enter. Okay, that's a bit nice. You can see that right now. So what I'll do right now, I'll now type P to palm my drawing and position the drawing very well. So I'll use palm now, P to palm it and position it to make sure everything is seen. Okay. Now once I done, I now click on escape and then click outside here. Okay, you can now see that we have successfully positioned all our this drawing on this sheet right now. So since I used two scale on this place, I use a scale of 1 to 75 on this other side, and here 1 is to 100 on this other side right now. So I'll come here right now on this scale drawing here, and I'll put the highest scale which I used, 1 is to 100, and I'll now come to this place right now, and um I'll type U. Okay, I'll now come to this place. Sorry. Since I used the 1 is to 100 here, so I'll now come to this place right now. This is 1 is to 100. So I'll remove this from here and come here right now and put this one here and type this K here, sorry, to 75. You can see that. Then try to put it to move this upward on this model space here and position this here. Now, if I go back to this my paper space here, you can see that that changes that we made have been affected, so that this is now 1 is to 75, as you can see it here. So I will now go again next one and now match properties of this 1 is to 100 scale to this. Okay. Okay. So right now, if I go here right now, you can see that someone seeing this drawing right now will now see that this one has a scale of 1 to 75, and seeing this one without a scale, we just know that this one was scaled to 1 is to 100, which is the overall scale that is given on this paper here, on this title block here. So you can now see how we have positioned this our first drawing right now on this place right now. So I can now click on what save, or I type Control X. Okay, Control S. Sorry. Right now I've successfully transferred this drawing, this first drawing right now, onto our paper space here. You can see how I did that. Okay, if you're still confused, I'll still transfer this other drawing also and transfer all this drawing, because we are trying to print this drawing tomorrow for this client. Okay, so I will transfer all these drawings right now to this sheet. So if you're a bit confused, don't get confused, because I will still repeat myself again for all these ones again. So by the time we are done with all these, you should be able to understand what we have done. So but before I begin again, I'll say that if you have not click on this on the subscribe button, I'll say you should please subscribe to our channel, and also help out to share our channel. Call your friends also to learn to also let them know what we are doing right here on Ekidel. So right now I want to transfer this place right now. So since I'm done with here right now, I'll go here right now and call this is already sheet 1. So this is sheet 1 right now. So I'll now go right now again and click on this place right now, on this sheet 2 right now. Right click here to now go and rename this place. Now if you don't want to print, if you don't want to see your drawing on this place as colored, as you can see it here, for you to see it on this place as a black and white, what I will tell you to do right now is to go here right now, right click here, and then click on this place called Page Setup Manager, and then on this place right now, just click on what they call Modify. Now click on this place that is you're seeing here, Display Plot Style, as you can see it here. So click on this place and click on what they call OK, and then just click on what they call Close. So right now you can see that everything has changed to black and white, as you can see it here. If you and this is how it will look like when you're done finishing, when you're done printing your final printing. If you're printing with what they call monochrome, this is how it will look like. But if you're printing on colored, I would say you should just, if you want to print on colored, I would say you should just click back here and click on Page Setup Manager, and then click on this place called Modify, and just uncheck this, and then click on what? Okay, and then click on Close, and it will change back to colored. But right now we want to print this our drawing for Mr. Caleb, which is our client, with black and white. So right now, go here right now and change to black and white using Page Setup Manager, and then click on Display Modify, and then click on this place called Display, Display Plot Style, and then click on what OK, and then click on what Close. Okay, so I'll go here again and do the same thing here, and then click on this place, um, page page manager, and then click on this little modifier and just check this right now and click on OK and click on close. Okay, so you can see that everything now have not changed to black and white. So right now I want to also transfer this other one here to our layout. So I'll go here right now, and this one is called footing detail. So I'll go here right now and change this place to rename it to footing detail. So I'll say footing detail. Sorry, I'm a bit sick, so that's why you can see that I'm having a running nose. So that's why I've not done a like done from videos for a long time now. Okay, so right now I can see that we're having footing detail right now. Okay, so right now we have changed to footing detail as the name because that's what we are about to transfer this right now, this foundation footing detail right now to this place right now. So right now type again MV, which is the viewport, enter, and then click at this place right now, and then click at this other end here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so click at that place right now, and then try and now double click on this place right now. Try to locate my footing detail right now. You can see it here, and then I'll just try to use a scale to fit in this footing detail on this sheet right now. Don't just zoom it and then click outside. No, it is always good to work with scale. So double click here back. Once you have done positioning your drawing there, I'll just say you should use a scale. Said enter 1 over let me try 75 again. If it will work, XP, enter. That is too small, so I'll do Z again, enter 1 over, let's try 25. If that work out, SP, enter. Okay, you can see that this works out perfectly. Our drawing now looks big on display, so this is okay. So everything is being seen, so I can just adjust this from this place right now using move, enter, adjust this and position this well. And see that right now, and then try to bring this also, try to bring this downward, if to be equal in size and height. Okay, then use my P pan, enter, and then try to palm this drawing right now, keep it here. So once it is okay with me, I can now go here right now and click outside here, double click outside here to leave that viewport. Okay, so you can, if you zoom right, you can just see what you have done right now. I can see that base 1, base 2, and base 3. Okay, so right now just go here right now and change this to sheet 2 because this is the sheet number 2. So I'll say 02. Okay, and I'll go here and input my scale, which I used, switch scale 1 to 25. I'll put that there. Okay, so I'll go here right now and change this to footing detail because that is the name of the title of this drawing for this particular one, footing detail. Okay, why I'll click outside here, why this one becomes footing layout, foundation layout, and see the foundation layout. Okay, as foundation layout, sorry, foundation layout and stroke stroke sections. Okay, stroke sections, so just section. Okay, right now I can see that right now. So right now we have transferred this footing detail from our model space right now onto this place right now. You can see that. So the next thing again we'll transfer right now is to transfer our column. Our column, you can see that column details, as you can see that right now. So transfer this also right now to the next place right now. So now that takes us right now to the place where we now have to now go ahead and then begin to create, to now also name this next one also right now. So let me just recap right now. Let me just see what's happening here. Okay, so sorry. That goes here right now. Okay, so right now we now go here right now and then also come here and click click here, right click and say make a copy for the column on. So I'll click on this place right now, footing detail, make a copy, and say what? Okay, copy. And then this is now our copy right now. Right click here right now and rename it to column detail. Okay, column details. You can see there right now. Okay, so right now we can now go here right now and double click on this place right now and try to zoom out because we have already formed a viewport. So there's no need again to form a viewport again. We just use the old viewport that was there already. So now position our column right here right now. So let us now use a scale to put in our column here. So I want to use a scale of, let me say, scale of 1 is to, let me say, 50 SP. Let's check if that scale will work out, but that is too big. So change the scale to 1 to 75. Say 1 is to 75 SP. Enter. Okay, it doesn't work out also. Let's try 1 is to 100. So try Z. Enter. 1 all over 100 SP. Enter. Okay, so this doesn't work out. You can see there. So we go ahead again. Z. Enter and try 1 all over 150 SP. Enter and try to position using your pan, position the drawing inside there. You can see that we can see perfectly three columns. So this scale is okay for the column. So we will go ahead and create another one to complete the column because we have more than three columns. We are only seeing three columns here. But if you check here right now, we have additional one column. And if we try to see a way to adjust, let's see if we can adjust this column to position everything here. Okay, so let us go back here right now and try to check if we can adjust some things here. So let me just go here right now and change this orientation to keep this somewhere. Let me just change this a bit so that we can have a space. Okay, let me do this again here and then position this somewhere here and do this right now and come here and keep this here. Okay, that can enable us to now shift this particular one right now closer to form a space for the other one to enter. Okay, keep this here and then we can move ahead also to move this to this particular place. I'm working on model space right now. Let's see how it looks like here. Okay, we're about seeing that right now. Okay, so we go again to do the same thing. Just copy this right now since they are the same right up. Copy this right now from here and keep this here now. Keep this here. Then remove this immediately from here and then come back to here right now. Double click here. Use our P to palm to shift this one right now to this place. Okay, the whole idea is to try and make sure that this one fits in here so that we will not spend much money on printing. Okay, so we go again right now. Let's go and check. Okay, we go again right now. Double click here, palm down. As you can see, I'm doing a palm down to this place right now. Palm up a bit. Double click outside, then go back to this place, model space. Try to shift this column because this column starts from the beam, not from the foundation. So let me try to keep this somewhere here and try to shift this. Remove this one first, remove this first, copy this somewhere from here, copy this right now from here and keep this somewhere here. Okay, and then try to move this a bit closer and keep this here. Okay, try to again remove this. I don't want this, and then remove. Okay, that's okay. Then try to shift this right now. I try to shift this, okay, and keep this somewhere here. Okay, so if I go here right now and check again, you can see that it's trying to clash on this. It's almost entering. There's a small difference here which will adjust. So go again right now again to click at this place right now. Select this hole and then move it up a bit and keep this here. Move it again smaller and keep it here and check again. Okay, it's trying to make some missing stuff here. So just select this again, bring it down a bit, again. Okay, there is some clash here. You can see that. So we go back here again right now. Select everything here again, and move it just a little bit up. Okay, let's check. Okay, this is not perfectly okay. So we are done with this one. It's okay. Now, right now, I try to adjust this right now here. Okay, nothing is missing. So go here right now and adjust this a bit. So come here and adjust this just slightly a bit. Bring this closer down here and keep this here, and then check again. Okay, now I can see that how we have fit all the columns inside here. So there's no need to create another sheet again for column. So we'll go here right now and change here and type column. Okay, column detail. Sorry, we already have it already. So just say column detail. Okay, we can also change it to write longitudinal longitudinal let me try to check spelling. Okay, longitudinal column detail. You can see that right now. Okay, we change this right now to column to um sheet 3, and then change the scale. We use a scale of 1 is to 150. So 1 is to 150, and then click outside. So you can now see that how we have positioned this right now in this place right now. We can now click on save first, and then go back to our model space right now. We are done with column. So we'll go again and check. What's next to do is to input our first floor beam. That's floor beam layout. You can see it here. So right now, we go ahead right now, click on this column side here, right click here, and then make a copy. You can see it there, make a copy of this column, and click OK, and then click at this place right now. I click to change the name to um first floor layout, floor beam, and column layout. Okay, layout, and click outside. Then we go back here again right now to change that name, floor beam stroke or just say and column layout. Okay, column layout. Okay, it's okay right now. So we'll now go here right now, click at this place right now to bring in that our particular one, which you can see there right now. So click this place right now. Let us use a scale of 1 is to 75. If it works, hit enter 1 is to 75 SP, and then enter. That works perfectly for us. You can see there. So we can just use pan to palm it up and keep it somewhere here. I can see that this is a dash line which is showing bigger here, but if you go to this place, it's not showing. You can see that it's showing tiny, but because of this scale we use, so I'll just come here right now. What I'll do is come here right now and click at this place right now, type LT scale to make your scale, your dash line or your hidden line looks okay. LT scale, enter, type you can see that it is at 0.5. So I'll say you should type 0.1 and see that if that will be okay for you. So click on enter. You can see that this is perfectly okay right now. So I can now go now and click on outside right now. So if I look right now, I can see that it is showing me perfectly okay. Okay, this is a slab line, so it will not be dash. You can see there. So I'll go here right now and change that, change the dash line to slab line, which is the slab line. So I'll go here right now and just do quick select all here, and then change that to a continuous or solid line. If I come here right now and check it, you can see it perfectly okay right now. Okay, this is perfectly okay right now. I can see that right now. Okay, so right now we now go over again right now the next to go and impute to go and bring up this slab detail. You can see there floor slab detail. There is too much space here. Let me just reduce the space on this place. Okay, no, okay, that's okay. So I want to bring in this slab right now into the layout. So right now we go click on here first right now again and make a copy. Now we're going to call here right now. This is sheet 1, 2, 3. This should be sheet 4. Okay, 04. Okay, this sheet number 04, and change here right now to first floor, or floor beam, and column layout. Sorry, layout. Okay, layout. Okay, that's nice right now. Okay, so right now I cannot see that that's okay right now. So we can now go ahead again right now and then go again and make a copy for this right now. Make a copy this right now. Click on create a copy and then click on what okay. So we can now see that we have this should be here. You can see that we now have it here right now. So we just click on this right now to rename this. This is floor slab detailing. So change it to floor slab detailing. Okay. First, okay, that's okay right now. Click on empty space. Now, if I go click on this place right now, this floor slab detailing right now, and then then click on this place right now to locate my floor slab. This is my floor slab. You can see everything here. So locate the one you want. So I'll locate my floor slab right now. Let me still use scale 1 to 75. So I'll type Z, enter 1 all over 75 SP, enter. Okay, so you can see that that is okay for me right now. So I can now palm this up right now and click outside. Now if you look at these two drawing right now, you can see that this is a section detail which I want it to show border because it's looking very tiny. So I have to use different scale for this drawing right now. So to use different scale for this drawing right now, what I'll do right now is I'll click on this edge, which is the viewport right now, and try to shift this viewport downward right now. Shift this viewport downward right now and keep this here. You can see that right now, so that I can be able to use different scale for to bring out my session on this area right now. So I'll click on this place again right now and palm this one using P palm and palm this down again, and then click outside again and then click on this viewport again and change and bring it down a bit again and keep this here. So you can now see, then now can I go back to this model space right here, try to shift this section upward because you can see that it is trying to show at this very bottom here. So I'll shift it upward so that it can go out from that place, shift it out from a bit out of here. And if you come here right now, you will see that again right now. So I will now copy this viewport right now, CP, copy it right now, and keep it at and copy it to this edge right now. Then try to click here and then click here and keep this here. So if I double click here right now and zoom in right now, if I do this right now, I can see that this is now bigger. So but I have to use a scale to bring this here out. We use 75 here, so let us try to use 35 on this place. Z, enter, or what do you think we should use? 25. Let's try that. 1 all over 25 SP, enter. That's too big. You can see that we are not seeing everything. So go and click again. Z, enter. 1 over 35 SP, enter. It's too big, so click on Z, enter. 1 all over 40 SP, enter. Okay, we are still not seeing, so we click on Z, enter, 1 all over 50 SP, enter. This is not too good, so Z, enter, 1 all over 45 SP, enter. Okay, this is okay, so 45 is okay, you can see that right now. So we can now palm it right now to position it very well. Then you can click outside first, then go here right now and change this K to 1 is to 45. Okay, you can see that. Then come to this place right now again, click at this place where you have this K and change this K right now. We use a scale of 1 is to the biggest K there is 75. So put the biggest K there, which is this one. As you can see, that's why we didn't put K under here. So this is the biggest one right now, and this is just 145, which they put here. If you look here right now, you can see that this line is trying to show out here. So what I'll do right now, click at this viewport right now and try to move this my viewport to stretch it backward here. You can see that. So it won't be able to show again. So I can move this also, or stretch, not move, just stretch it down here. It's trying to show this section, so I can just bring it down a bit so that it will not show and keep this. Okay, that's right now. So if we print this right now, these two lines will not be able to show because we use, okay, you have to change this line right now to depth point, else it will show if you print it. So you must change the layer from 0 to depth point to depth point. So click on this place and choose depth point and depth points. As you can see, they are depth points. So if you print this drawing right now, you'll be able to see these lines. You only see the drawings, and that is perfectly okay. And this is trying to show color that you can see it here right now. So what I'll do right now, just right click here right now and click on page setup to use the black and white, and then click on this place right now, modify. Check this and check this again and click on what okay and then close. It's not trying to show again, so I'll go again and go again and click here again, and then go here and then say modify. Uncheck this first and then click on this and then click on this. Then click here again, back again, page setup manager, modify, and click on this and then click on this, and then I'll say close. Okay, everything now changed. You can see that right now. So we have changed the scale, and this now becomes page 5, page number 5. So put 05. Okay, and then this, let us take the scale of this. If we use, if this scale was 75 and not 150, you can see that. So make sure you use your scale very well. And like this is a real project which you are trying to print out tomorrow for Mr. Caleb, which is our client. So that's why you are trying to make sure everything is okay. Okay, as our culture here in Ekidel, we use real life. This is 150, okay? We use real life project to teach here, right here on Ekidel. By God's grace, we get project designs every day, every single week, not every day literally, but every single week. But we are trying to we know that God, there'll be a time when we'll be getting projects every day. Okay, so right now you can see that we have put the slab detailing, so we can come in now and can change the title of this drawing to floor slab detailing. Okay, then just escape right now. Just do the same thing back again. So you just floor slab detailing. Okay, you can see that right now. So if you need this template called Stonebridge Structural Dealing Template, I would say you should just click on the link below and download this template. Or you can also use our WhatsApp number. Check on our about page and then check on our WhatsApp number and just send us a WhatsApp message and we will reply you also and guide you on how to get this template. Or send us a mail at ekidel at ekidel101 at gmail.com. Okay, so right now we now want to go and bring out this bin detail right now into this sheet right now, into the next place right now. So click on this place right now, right click here and make a copy. So make a copy right now of that and make a copy right now of that right now. So click on this place and make a copy right now. Okay, so if we check this place right now, let's see if that copy has been made. So that copy was not made, so just remove this right. Let me delete this first. Yes, and then click at this place right now, make a copy, click at this place, and then check this place and then make a copy of that slab. You can see that right now. Okay, so we now click here right now, right click, and the name of this is floor floor beam detail. Yeah, floor beam detail. Sorry, detail. Okay. Okay, so right now we will now have to click. Now we have two viewports here, so I'll just take off one and remove one and click at this place right now and bring it back here. You can see what I'm doing right now. Okay, why we have our slab here. This is just the copied one. You can see there. So right now double click on this place right now. Locate my beam right here. I want to put my beam at, let me try a scale of 1:2. So I'll just type Z, enter, 1 all over. Let me try 50, if that will work. SP. Okay, 50 is perfectly okay. As you can see there, 50 is okay. Let's try 75, if that'll be okay, so that I can be able to add more beams to that place. So Z, enter, 1 all over 75, SP, enter. Okay, 75 is also okay, which will be also be nice. Let's just check it out if it will be able to print out well. Let me test it out. Printing out, it will not be able to be okay. will not be that bright. You can see there it will be dense. So we want everything to be very bold. So it won't be able to come out well. You can see there. So let us use a scale of 1 to 50 to position this, or 1 to 60. So click on this place again right now. Z enter. Just double click on this page right now. Then Z enter. 1 all over 60 SP enter. Okay, this will be able to print out well. This can print out well. So just go here right now, double click here. Let me just use that scale 1 is to 50 to be able to make everything come out boldly. 1 all over 50. After all, this client paid us well, so we will have to waste, at least use some money to print out a good quality job for him. Okay, so click at this place right now. Okay, so this will be able to print out perfectly okay and perfectly well. Okay, so right now we will now go here right now. Since we have several beams here, as you can see, we have several first floor beams here. Up to this place is first floor beam. Before we can now go to our roof beam layout and column layout. So this will be first floor beam one, first floor beam two, beam three, beam four, beam five. So right now, go here right now and begin to name it. So this will now be um floor beam one, beam detail one, sorry, one. That is one. Then click outside. We used a scale of 1 is to 50. So put the scale here 1 is to 50 on this place and enter. And then click at this place right now. Double click at this place to change this. This will be sheet 6, as you can see there. So we have sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and okay, 6. Okay, that's nice. So right now, we now go over right now to this place again right now. Make a copy of this right now. Make a copy of this. Make a copy of this right now. Okay, make a copy, move this backward. This is the copied one. So this will be you just rename this one right now to bin detail one. So that is the one I can see there is the one. So this is the next one that we're about to do right now. So this will be bin detail two. So just change this right now, remove this brackets and make it bin detail two, and then click at this place right now and then locate the next drawing to bring out here and use a scale of to position the drawing. Z enter 1 all over we have using 1 to 50 50 SP enter. Okay, you can see that this one is trying to not to show very well, so I'll just try to adjust the beams on model space later. So let me just click outside here, go to my model space here. This is the one I'm trying to work on, this place here. I think so. Let me go back again. This is beam 4. Let me check if that's beam 4. Also, okay, that's okay. So I go here right now, try to work on the what I'm trying. I'll move this one to this place, this section to this place right now, just to create a space so that I will not go and waste much paper and just cut the section on this point right now. Okay, that's so that position it well. Okay, that's nice right now. Then try to shift this upward right now and keep this here. Okay, and then go here right now and then move this right now entirely upward again. Okay, do the same thing here. Move this entirely and keep this here, and move this to align to the section cutting or section line. Then move this and keep this here. Okay, then also do the same thing here and right now move this right now and keep this here. Okay, then if we go back here right now to check, you can see that everything is showing perfectly right now. You can see how we have adjusted that to show to be able to reduce number of sheet that it will take. So right now, I'll go here right now and change this to sheet 2, like first floor beam sheet 2, because sheet 1 was not able to contain all the beams. So this is now sheet 2. Okay, so right now we go over here again and then put this right now to be sheet number 7, as you can see there. Okay, so we go right now again, click at this place right now, and then we have successfully we brought this bin to layout. So this is the next bin that we're going to bring to layout right now. So let's just try and arrange this so that we will not have that issue we had before. So let us try to arrange it here by ourselves first on this model space so that we'll just be fast how to continue to move on. Okay, so we go again right now, move this upward here. I think that issue also happened. Let me just move, continue to arrange this here and then try to do something here. So I'll say you should please try to share our video to your friends, call your friends if you're a student, recommend our video to your friends and loved ones so that they will be able to know what we are doing here and also appreciate our work here. Okay, so let me just take off this. This is not that important for me right now. I'll just take off this right now. I don't need this. Okay. So right now I'll just click again here right now and then make a copy of this just now. I'll click on this right now and then make a copy right now by saying move and copy and then go to the last one and click on copy and then say okay. So you can now see that we have a copy here. You can see this copy here right now. So once you have done a lot of copy, you'll be able to be seen then here. So you will click on this four boxes here and you see all the sheet that you have that you have got layer that you have created. So you can now this is the one that we now select that we have just created. So I will now select on this right now and then you can see that it's showing copy of 2. You can see it there right now. So this now will not be copy of 3. So I'll go there and change everything here to 3. You can see it there right now. Then come here again and here to and change to 3 right now, which is floor bin detail 3, as you can see there right now. Then change this to sheet 8 because this is our sheet number 8, as you can see there right now. We are almost done. Then come here right now and then double click on this place right now and then locate my bin. The last bin was bin 4, so I will have to go to the next one, which is bin 7, as you can see it here, and then position it first, then use my scale to now position it with scale. Z enter 1 all over. We are using 50, 1 to 50 SP, so enter. Okay, this is perfectly okay right now. So you can now see that I can now position this right now and then keep it somewhere here. Okay, then I will go and now click on what outside here. Okay, so I can now see that this is okay right now. So we have firstly brought this beam 7, this cheat sheet right now onto this place. Can see it here, beam 7, and also this is also beam 7 on model space here. So we are left with these two right now to bring out right now. So let us go right now to bring out these two to the page layout right now. So we go here right now and click on this place right now. I click here and then click on move or copy. So now go to the last one right now, click on this place, make a copy right now, and then click on what okay. So if you click here right now, you can see it right there. This is the copy of the next one we have just made on right now. So click on this place right now. I click here and then just click on this place and rename. This should be sheet floor bin detail 4, copy 4. And then I go here again and change this right now. Double click on this place and call it copy 4. And then click outside. Okay, I call this right now sheet number 8. Okay. Sorry, number 9, sorry, and then go here right now, double click on this place right now to locate the next bin, which is this one here. So I'll locate it right now and then type Z enter 1 over 1 to 50 SP. You can see there, enter. Okay, so this is trying to be too big, as you can see it here right now. It's trying to not to, because there are some gaps which you are trying to collapse. So let us go and collapse all this gap and then close them up. So right now I go here right now and then close all those gaps which you are trying to have, which is not okay. So I close these gaps up right now and then do the same thing here right now. We just pray this gonna enter the sheet because I don't want to change the scale for the sheet. Okay, let's see. This is not entering how I want it to enter. Let me see again if we can try to adjust this a bit. It's not entering very well. So okay, let me click again and go back again here again and then try to make some few common adjustments here. Move this upward right now and try to move this bin naming upward here. Come back to sheet 4, which you have right now. Okay, that sheet 4 will have our last sheet, and then you can see we try to move this upward right now. So just go to this one right now, click at this place, move this naming into this place, and then try to make this right. This is a live project which we are trying to print out tomorrow for a client. So everything we are doing here is what is how we are is how it's meant to be. So click on this place right now. Okay, it's trying to it means it just is little thing here, so we can go ahead and shift this section which is not showing well upward, and then we will just try to do some small styles here by using stretch to stretch this right now upward here. Okay, stretch, you can see that, then move this into this place. Oh, sorry, just keep it here right now and then check again. Okay, we are almost we are almost coming out already. Okay, so go here again right now. Move this right now backward and keep this somewhere here, and then move this upward again and keep it somewhere here. Then check again. Okay, you can see that we have come out from this place. So everything nice. Okay, this one is still backward. You can see it's still showing here. You can see that it's trying to collapse with this title block. So go here right now and then move this backward a bit, just a bit. Move this a bit backward and then check again. So everything now becomes okay. You can see it here right now. Everything becomes okay. This is okay. So this is not perfectly okay right now. So you can see how I've taken our time to show you guys how to do all this. So um, for you to retain this, I'll say you should keep practicing it. In less than 1 year, you'll be able to be good, in all these things. Okay, so right now we're gonna go to now transfer this last one right now before we can now enter our roofing layout. This last floor beam right now. So we go here right now. Okay, and then right click here and then click on move or copy, and then go to this place right now, click on the last one, make a copy of the last one, and then click OK, and then try to make this move this backward here, and then this is the last one. As you can see, this is the sorry, click on here, you can see the last one here right now. So if I right click here right now, I click here and make rename. So I'll name this right now to beam sheet 5. Okay, then click on this empty space here. So if I click on this place right now, sorry, click on this place, this is the beam 5. So I'll go here again, right? First of all, before I begin to change here, okay, let me just change here to now beam 5 as we have it here. So this is 5, and this is now sheet 10, sheet number 10. So put 10 there, and then we can see that we have beam 4 here. You can see it there, floor beam 4, floor beam the 4, and this is now the 5 that we are trying to bring out the last one right now. So we'll click here right now and then locate the last one, as you can see it here right now, and type Z, enter 1:50 SP, enter. Okay, I'll try to make sure we use all our beam details to be 1:50. You can see that it's not trying to enter this particular place. You can see that there is some small issue here. Let's see that. Okay, it's taking that. Okay, it's trying to. Okay, it's that's okay. Here it's also showing okay. That's okay for me. Thank God that entered. Okay, so this entered perfectly. You can see it there, and you can also see it here. Okay, so this entered. You can 700, 800, 850. Also the same thing here. I can see there. So that's okay. So there is no part that is missing. So we try to now make this place not to be able to show, because it's trying to hide on this place. So I'll try to move this thing upward now a bit. Okay, then try to locate to shift this also as we did before. Adjust this right now, move this right now into this place, and just keep this somewhere here. Then select all this right now, select this right now, move, and then move this a bit into this place, and then try to shrink, stretch this backward, stretch this entrance. Okay, then try to move this right now to this place. Okay, then also try to move this upward right now, then try check my beam 5 if it's okay. You can see that it's trying to be okay but not okay. You can see that it's still trying to. Okay, go here right now, move this up again a bit, then check again. Okay, this is now okay. You can see it perfectly right now. So this is now okay. Okay, you can see it right now. Okay, so this is now perfectly okay. So we have also changed that to beam 5, and which is floor beam 5. You can see it here, and sheet number 10 if we are counting from this place, this is one, two, three. This is model space, so you don't count this. Count from this sheet, foundation layer, foundation detail, which is two, column detail, which is three, floor beam layout, which is four, floor slab detailing, which is floor slab, which is five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So if you're counting from just the beam, so this is sheet 10, but from beam, which is beam, floor beam detail one, detail two, three, four, five. So five, and we also have five. So this is okay. So right now we are trying to now enter into the roofing layout. As you can see there. So first of all, you save. Once you have done much work on this template, always save, because AutoCAD always try to shut down, even if you're not using this template. AutoCAD try to shut down, or maybe there may be a power bar failure, or maybe your system might have some issue that it will want to restart. And if you have not saved and you see that you have to lose most of the work that you have done, so it's only good to save. Learn the habit of saving your drawings. Okay, so right now we are almost done. You can see that we have take much time showing you this, but we are almost done. So right now we will now also try to bring this roof beam. Let me change this to roof beam, um, beam and column layout, and column layout. Okay, so right now we're trying to this roof beam have a water tank at the top here. As you can see it here. That's why it have a slab. The slab here is 200, not 150. This to be 200, not 150. Okay, this 200 also, 200 millimeter, that will be able to carry the 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 water tank. Okay, 200. Okay, so right now we now go over again right now to now bring this right now to template. So we go here right now on this being five, right on this page 10 right now. Right click here and then say move and make a copy, and then click on this place and create a copy, and then click on this place. Okay, then click here right now and then click on the last one which I just created a copy right now, and then change here right now to rename it right now to roof beam, roof beam and column layout. Okay, layout. Sorry. Okay. So we can also select and just copy right now. I can copy this right now. I just come here right now, double click here and paste this here. You can see that instead of to go and type again just to make things fast right now. Because we are trying to beat time. So right now, click on this place right now, locate that bin layout right now. We are using scale 1 to 75 for this type of layout. So I'll just say Z enter 1 all over 75. That is in this case of my for this drawing. I didn't say it for every other drawing that you're doing. Okay, just try to use a perfect key that will be okay for you. I'll click on enter. Okay, for now this is okay. So I'll just palm up right now and then position this right now and click on what empty space here. Then try to change this place right now for the scale to be 1 is to 75, because we have changed the scale to 75, no more 50. All the beams are all the beam details are 50. Okay. That is for this case, but in your own case, use your own. But this is okay, this now sheet 11. Okay. So this now okay. You now go ahead right now again right now, and then palm here and put this at the middle, or let me just put this here. Okay, then go ahead right now to also bring this sheet also. Now this is the water tank Cascadia, water tank slab detailing. Okay, so this is what kind of water tank on this place right now. So you can see how we are trying to arrange our drawing step by step, so that once anyone within this drawing see this layout, the next thing that will come to his mind is where is the slab. So automatically he will just see his slab there for the tank water tank right now to this place right now. You can see that. So everything becomes easy for the person. So right now click on this place right now, which is the last page right now. Right click again right now, make a copy right now, make a copy of this last one to bring out our water tank detail right now. So we just move this backward here and then make a copy of this right now. I think that's the last sheet. Okay, right click here and then change the name here to water tank, sorry, water tank slab clean. I'll just cop- copy this right now, and then come here, Sorry, that didn't change. Just paste that. Okay, then come here right now. Change this right now to water tank. As I would have just pasted, but let me just type so I can see me typing it. Water tank slab ceiling. Okay, so that's okay right now. I'll change this right now to sheet 12. This now becomes sheet 12. 1 to 12. Okay, and then let me try before we change the scale, let's check the scale that will fit in the outer tank. So I'll just double click here right now and locate that right now. Let me try one Z1 all over. Let me try 25. 25 to be too big. Let me just try it first. SP. That's too. Let me see if this is too big. This is too big. So Z enter one all over 50 SP. Let's try that if that's okay. Oh, this is too okay. This is okay. This is okay. So I'll go here right now and keep this here. But because of this session right now, we want to bring the session out to be able to be seen fully. So I'll click outside there, click at this edge right now to move this one and keep this here right now. And then just copy right now using CP right now. Copy this report right now and then keep this here and then try to position just my section inside here, right, to make it bolder. So I'll use a scale of 1 to 25. So Z enter 1 all over 25 SP. Let's see how that looks. This is okay. So 25 is okay. So I can just palm this downward right now. Palm this or just keep this here first. Press on this place and then come back here. Move this one out from this place entirely and just take it upwards. So it not be able to show again at the same place. Okay, it's trying to show here. So I can just click here right now and try to reduce this report downward here. Okay, then also this one also click on this place, this edge here. Click this one here. Try to reduce this viewport again right now and then keep this somewhere here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so right now you can see how we have done. So if you have not subscribed to our channel Ekidel, I'll say you should please subscribe to our channel and also share this video if you okay. So right now just go right click here right now and then position this backward down here right now. So I'll just click outside here and then try to position this, centralize it right now and keep this somewhere here. Okay, so this now becomes K25 as you can see. This now becomes K. What scale did you even use again? Let me confirm. Z enter 1 all over. We use 25 SP. That's what we use 25. Okay, so we just put this K as you can see it here under this place so I can know that this is 25. And we use K1 is to 50 here. So we'll come here right now and put 50 for the bigger scale so that anyone reading the drawing will know that the bigger drawing that this one that does not have scale is using this scale for the sheet, and this one that has scale under here using this scale for the sheet. So right now we go here right now. You can see that this text font is too big. This one is bigger than this. You can see that right now. So we can change this text style right now. So we go here right now and then click at this place right now. We do QC calculator enter and then come here right now. The test height for our drawing is 2.5, so times 25, which is the scale we are using right now, is 67.5. So the test height here should be 67.5. So come here, sorry, this one, enter. So change the test height to 62.5. Okay. Okay, so right, this is now the test height that we'll be using right now. So change the same thing for all these ones also. Change this one, change this, right? Change this also, change this and change this and change this right now to 60. Okay, this is okay. So let us use that one. Okay, 87.5, 87.5. Okay, so then this now we have to reduce. This will have to reduce to 175 and then enter. Okay, then position this very well and keep this here. Okay, and then this also reduce to 175. 175, enter. Okay, then close this and close this right now and then try to adjust this just now, keep this somewhere here. Okay, so we're gonna go back here now. You can see that it is trying to look okay. So right now we have, then we can now go right now and remove this line that is showing, because this line is trying to show on this drawing. You can see it here, and also this one also is showing. So we go back here right now, adjust all these lines out from the drawing. You can see from the drawing viewport, and check again if it's okay. So it's perfectly okay. This one right now is the viewport, so it will not show because it's on depth point. I can see it here. If it's not on depth point, that means this all this line will show during printing, and which is not okay. So make sure this your viewport line is on depth point. So just change the layer length to depth point. Okay. Okay. So right now we now go just change the layer to depth point. Depth point, it is always depth point layer always comes with all AutoCAD templates. So just change to depth point. Okay, so right now this is sheet 12, as you can see it here. Okay, if you can't also, you can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So right now we go over right now to go and check what next to bring out. So we want to bring out these roof beams right now. You can see that. So these are roof beams right now. You can see that. So we try to name these roof beams and not just beams like this. So let me just copy this right now and then select all this right now. I want to change this entire name right to roof beams. So instead of just using beams names like that, so that you can so that anyone can know which one that this beam is for floor slab and this is for roof beam. So I'll title this as roof beam 14 or roof beam 13. So this must have a preface for roof beam. So I'll write it right now and say find. I'll paste that beam just here right now and then say roof, add roof, then put beam to it. So anywhere it found this beam on this place, I have selected right now, it will change it to roof. So automatically all the roofs here, you can see right now it have changed perfectly. Where you can see there right now. Why this remains beam, you can see there, which is the floor beam, and all this one have not changed to roof beam, as you can see it here. So this is perfectly okay right now. I just use a find command to change that instead of doing it one after the other. Okay, so right now you can now see what I've done right now. Okay, so right now to now start putting this sheet right now, all these beams right now in sheet right now, I have to now go here right now, come here right now, click at this place right now, make a copy of this right now, and then make a copy of the last one. Since I am using the beam, okay, make a copy right now, click on this and make a copy, and then click on what? Okay. Okay, then move this backward here and then click on this right now. I click and then rename to roof beam detail. Since we have different roof beam there, so I'll put detail 1 just as we did on the first floor on. So I'll come here again and put here, change here right now to roof beam detail 1. Then come here and put my scale to be 1 is to sorry, my sheet number to 13, because the last one was 12, as you can see it here, it was 12. So this will now be 13, and let us not change the scale yet until we have sized it. So we come here right now, remove this one first, then try to enlarge back our viewports to this place, and then take it back here first. Sorry, not that place, to this place first, and then take OK, and then click on this place right now to now look at our beam. These are beam right now. So type, set enter. Let us use K 1 to 50, 1 all over 50 SP, and then enter. Okay, you can see that 50 is perfectly okay for this right now. So we just position this, go up a bit, and try to adjust these beams right now. Click outside here right now, click on this model space, and then try to adjust this beam, this line first. Then try to be shifting this beam upward so that everything can fit in perfectly. So shift this right now upward and keep this here first, and go again and shift this again upward again. Shift this right now and keep this here, and then go here again and shift this also and keep this here. Okay, let's just save that. Let's see that's okay. Okay, you can see that this test is coming out. So let's just go here right now and change this test right now and put this test in here. Okay, then check again. So this is now okay. Can this is okay right now? So we can now go right now. We use a scale. Okay, 50 is already there. So that this is scale we used. So we can now go, first of all, click on save. Make sure you save. Then go here right now. change this. Okay, this already there. Then right click right now and then make a copy to bring the next sheet again. Make a copy right now and say okay, and then check here right now. You can see there right now. Make this right now to copy roof beam. Sorry, rename it to roof beam to. It should be two right now. Right click and okay. So right now I can now click here right now to bring out the next beam, which is the roof beam 2 right now. Z enter 1 all over 50 SP to position it right now. SP, sorry, and say enter. Okay, then do this right now, position this right now in this place. Click enter space here, and then let's check this if this line is showing on the previous one. Okay, it's trying to show you. I can see that. So let us go and adjust that first. So adjust this line off from that point, from this point right now, and also adjust this if it's trying to show. Let us see if it's showing in anywhere. Okay, it is now off on that line. Let us see this one also if it's showing. Okay, here it's not showing again, but here it's showing. So let us now adjust that. So go here right now and adjust this right now off on that point. Let's see if it's still showing. Okay, it's off right now. I can see it there right now. So let us put this is now sheet 14, number 14, and then change this to roof beam detail 2, as you can see it here. Okay, so right now we the scale we use is still 50. So we go here again right now. Okay, make a copy again for this again, move or copy, then go to the last one, click this and click on this. Make sure you click on this to create a copy and then click on what? Okay. Then go here right now and then find the last one, change it right now. The rename this right now. On this case, this is sheet number roof beam detail 3. So this should be roof beam detail 3. Okay, 3. Okay, so we now go here right now, click on this place right now, zoom to locate the roof beam detail 3 right now. Use our zoom scale to put these beams in this sheet. Set enter 1 all over 50 SP, enter. Okay, then try to position this right now very well here, which enters perfectly, and then click outside here. Okay, then go here right now to remove this line, to shift this line inward. So go here right now and shift this line inward a bit and check if it's still showing there. Is this still showing? Okay, where is that line? This is this should be from, where is this? This is detail 3. Okay, 3. So go here right now and shift this beam here, this line here. Okay, that's all from the point. So we go again right now, make this right now for a new copy, to copy to bin detail 4. So keep copy from. Okay, so right now go here right now and change this to detail 4, as you can see it here. So to rename this right now to detail 4 to bring out the next roof bin detail. We didn't change this to, this was sheet 14, so this will be sheet 15. And the next one right now we are trying to do right now will be sheet sheet 16. Okay, this 16, and this should be detail, moving detail 4. Okay, because last one was 3, as you can see it here. So this should be 4. Then we now go here right now, double click here and then zoom out to find look the 4. And this is the next beam. Z enter 1 all over 50 SP. We are using 50, enter. Okay, and then we position this and keep this here. Okay, then this is now okay. So okay, so the next one right now again right now is to now position the next one again right now, which is the, we have positioned this one. Let us see the last one we did on. We worked on roof beam detail 23. That's the last one we did. So let us check where it is. This is where it is. So we are going to put these two sheet right now before now put the staircase. So we are putting this one right now. So we go here, this for right now. Right click here to make a copy right now, and then come here and click on this place right now. Make a copy of these last 4. Then go to this place right now, click on this, copy the one, change this right now, rename it right now, just on this place to make put 5, and then come here right now to put sheet 17, and then come here and put 5 here because that is 5. Okay, then come here right now double click on this place right now to locate the next beam, and Z enter 1 over 50 SP. Okay, SP, enter. Okay, then try to position this right now. I can see that right now. If I position this right now, another beam can enter here if need be, or just position this right now and then click outside. Okay, so right now we go again right now to now position this last one here before the staircase. So we go right now this place right now, right click here right now, right click and say move or copy. Put the last one, click on this right now, make a copy of this and say enter, and then go to this place right now, click on this and click on the last one, then change this right now to, this should be 6. So change this right now to 6 and enter, and then come click on this place right now by click, just zoom and then locate the next one and type Z enter 1 all over 50 our scale SP and then enter. Okay, you can see it perfectly right now. So we position this right now. This section is trying to lost, so just click outside here first, come here and bring out this section and keep it up here. Keep this one up here right now and just keep it somewhere here. Then locate it again. You can see that it's not showing. So we will now go right now and change this. This is the last one was sheet 17. Let's see, this is sheet 16. So this 17. So this should be 18. So change this first to 18. 18. Okay, click outside and then change this right now to this is 6 and then click outside here. We still use a scale of 1 to 50, so that's okay. So you can see how I position this right now. So the next note to do right now is now position this staircase. So let's let me just say first, okay. Okay, so the last one right now is this staircase right now. So we go here right now on this being 6 right now. Check on this. This is the last one. So click here, right click and say move or make a copy. And then go here right now and then click on this place and click on create copy and then say okay. Then go to this place and click on the last one, which is our copied one. And then right click here and then change the name right now to staircase in, so staircase detail. Okay, details. Then click at this place right now to change that name to staircase, staircase, sorry, staircase detail. Okay, then make this right now to sheet number 19. Okay, then let's see if the scale of 1 is to 50 will be able to fit in that staircase. So click on this place right now, zoom in right now, and then type 1Z 1 all over 50 SP. That's not okay. You can see that right now it's not okay. So we zoom again right now. Let's try 1 all over 25 SP. Okay, 25 is okay. You can see that right now. But the only thing is that he's trying, we are not going to see this one right now. But let us kind of work on the scale of this test, because this scale of this test must be the same thing with this right now. So let us just position this here first. Then go and now work on the scale right now. So go here right now and then copy this out first. Let me just show you a shortcut to do that. To work on the scale, copy this out and keep this here. Explode this right now, then match properties right now. Properties right now to this. You can see what I'm doing right now. Match to this right now. Just match it, match properties to this, match, and match. Okay, so right now we now have to position these to fit in very well. So bring this downward right now and keep this here, and then try to keep this up here a bit. Okay, the same thing here, position this and keep this here, the same thing here, keep this here right now. Okay, bring this backward a bit and keep this, sorry, off for the, and then keep this here, then position this again and keep this here, then also move this again and keep this here, move this now again and keep this here, and move this again right now and keep this here, move this right now and keep this here right now, and move this right now and keep this here again. Okay, move this right now again and keep this here. Okay, and move this right now and keep this here, and move also arrange this one again and keep this here, and arrange this finally and keep this here. Then now stretch, also arrange this again, or stretch this right now, stretch all this down here right now, keep this here. Okay, then also adjust this again too and keep this here. Change this color to at least white. Okay, make this color to be this to the point zero two five zero two five. Then but that's title. So then come here right now where I have staircase right now. Do the same thing here. Match properties right now. Match this right now. So this match to this also. Then try to rotate this right now. Rotate this. Okay, then rotate this right now just like this and keep this here. Move it and keep this here. Change this right now. Change this also. Change this to 0.25 and change this also to 0.25. Increase this test fonts to this. Okay, that's okay. Okay, then here right now, change this also. Match properties right now to this and match this to this right now. Okay, so then go here right now, go back here right now, and then try to um position this right now. Come here, do this right now, and then just push this upward a bit, and just push this and keep this here. Bring this a bit downward. Take again. Okay, and then bring this up so downward here. Okay, move this a bit here. Then come here and adjust this dimension that is just trying to hide and keep this here. Then check again. Then trying to go away. Double click here and then just come here and keep this here. Okay, then click here, move. You can also work from here, but don't try to zoom. Okay, then highlight all this one here right now. Try to move this backward a bit. Okay, do the same thing for this one also. Move it up a bit and keep this here. What is this line here? Push this right now and keep this here. Okay, then click outside first. Then come here right now and click at this place right now. Check if this one can fit into this place right now. If it can fit in here, let us see. Then check right now. Okay, you can now see that this is perfectly okay right now. You can see that right now. You can see that right now. So you can see what you have just done right now. So I can also choose to bring this one downward a bit. So I can choose right now to select this whole thing right now. Select this whole one just here right now. Select this and select this whole thing right now. And select this one. Okay. Then try to move something here downward a bit. Move this downward a bit. Move this, and keep this here. Then click on this text here, move upward here and keep it here. Okay, then click outside. Okay, okay. So you can now see what I've just done right now. I can also choose to move this upwards a bit this way. Let all this here. Then move it somewhere to this corner, somewhere here. Just to give free space for this. You can see it I'm doing right now. Then move this right now a bit and board here and click outside. So you can see how we have tried to arrange this into this place instead of to create another sheet again. So all total right now we have 19 sheets right now. So we can now click on save right now. So with this right now, you can now begin to plot your to now print your drawings. That now click on this place and back to sheet one. So you can see how we have created all our drawing from sheet one right now. How we have put all this drawing right now to sheets. You can see that. So this now becomes our power. Just remove this right now. So this now becomes our power page. You can see that. So just come here right now and form this to that. This now becomes our power page. So once this drawing goes up from here, it will also go out from the from this page layouts. So right now you can now begin to print out once. You can now see all your sheets here from foundation down to staircase. You can see it here. Foundation, column, beams, everything else to staircase here. You can see them here. So with this now, we can now begin to print out all our drawings right now, one after the other right now. So to print out right now, you can just click on this place right now, click on print right now. Select your printer just here. You can see that select your printer. I'm using Sharp MS 5050. You can see that right now. So I can just go here right now. If you want to print to PDF, you can go here and change to PDF and then plot to PDF. You can see that right now. So if you plot to PDF right now, let me say I want to use my printer. So I'll just go here right now and click on window. I'll just come here, select window. You can see the select window, click on window and then click at this point right now, this point here, and click at this point also right now and then click on preview first. So this is how it will look like. Sorry. You go again, window, go and click somewhere, not on this place, click somewhere out here, and then go again and click somewhere out here, not on direct out here, and then click on preview. So you can now see it here. You can see it perfectly. You can see it here right now. So this is how it will look like right now. You can see it there. So then just have to just plot right now and just print out right now. So you can see how we have successfully created all our drawings perfectly right now. You can just see it right now. You can see that right now. How we have created all our drawings perfectly to the very end right now. So you can just go here, click on your choose your printer. As you can see it here, either you want to choose the PDF or to image, you just choose the image or PDF. You can see that right now, this PDF, this image. But right now I want to choose my printer. I'll just click on this place on my printer right now, then click on select my monochrome to print by monochrome or by color. Select this AutoCAD CTB. But I want to use monochrome. Click on monochrome right now and then click on this place. Choose my paper size, which is A. I want to use A3 and then click on this place, select window and then click on this place window and then click at this place so I can start printing right now. So I click on this place right now, click at this place again right now and then preview first. You can see it right now. So just preview and then just right click and then print up. Right click, that's all. Okay, so you can now see how we have come to the end of today's lecture, how we have come to today's lesson. You can see it right now. We have take you through from beginning all the way down to this very end right now. So if you have any question on what we have done just today, I would say you should just click on the link below and then send us a message and we will reply you immediately. And also, we also have our WhatsApp platform just there. I would say you should also use our WhatsApp platform to chat us up, either video call, voice call, or through chat, and we will reply all your questions and also teach you some things that you want to know. Okay, and also please, I would say you should share this video and also recommend your friends if you're a student or a colleagues or if you're working, recommend your friends also to come also like our video and also subscribe to our channel, Ekidel. And also, if you have watched to this very end, I say congratulations because I know that in the next few years you'll be a professional in the field of civil and structural engineering. Okay, and also if you are looking for this template, Stonebridge template, because this is only way if you have this template, you can be able to grab everything we have learned by following this template because you will see this same drawing on the template, so you can be able to grab everything. So also check on the link below and download this template or send us a WhatsApp message or an email and we will guide you on how to get this template. Okay, so thank you so much and God bless you all for being to this very end. Okay, thank you. And then we love you all. We love you too. Okay, so thank you.